Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to ungroup pictures in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint, and here I have three grouped pictures. So I will just go ahead and duplicate this slide to show you the multiple ways to ungroup pictures. Let's just right-click on this slide and click on Duplicate Slide. I think 3 is enough. Now, right-click on the grouped pictures, and here go to Group and click on Ungroup. The second way is to click on the grouped pictures, and here go to Format under Drawing Tools and go to Group and select Ungroup. The third way is to click on the picture and go to Format under Picture Tools this time, and then go to Group and select Ungroup. And that's it. Now you know how to ungroup pictures in PowerPoint. These steps can also be applied to shapes and videos or anything you've inserted in your PowerPoint. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye!